Hi there, Andre here, and a short video to show you how to change a retaining ring in a jet water port. Okay, so basically at the Beachcomber hot tubs, how it works is you can open or close the jet at the jet, and so sometimes if a jet won't screw in or is very easy to come out and eventually pops out, it may mean that the threads inside of the water port are worn or damaged. Okay, so what it is when you try to take out a jet, you got to push past the posi lock system, and what that looks like real quick, if you use the retaining ring here, the posi lock system, this is inside of the jet, the water port, by the way. So you start threading it in, and then you see that little bit sticking out. This is pushing past that little bit is where, and this is where you have your closed and open water from your jet. So when you're taking it out, you want to be able to push past that bit, and then you can pop the jet out. So what's happening is this thread, quick inspection on knowing if this thread is worn, is basically putting your finger inside of your water port and looking for that thread. So basically looking for this thread here inside. So there's two parts of this. There's one on one side and then another half moon on the other side of the O-ring there, of the retaining ring, sorry. So you want to feel inside of your water port that's causing you possible issues and seeing if those threads are there. If they're not there, you're going to need these are pressure fit in. So basically they need to be pushed into place. To take them out, unfortunately, there's no easy way. You just have to empty the tub, and the next time you empty your tub, use needle nose pliers, remove the retainer ring, and within the retainer ring, there's a bit in there that you can't really put the retaining ring in the wrong way because there's a bit of a channel here, and you have to fit the O-ring properly within the body of the water port. So once it's in position, so there's still one in this water port, so I won't do anything, but once it's in position, in the right position, for example, it's hard to push with, two pairs of needle nose. So what we have here is just a simple piece of PVC plumbing that we have. It's a 1-inch union. And so what you want to do, because it fits, or if you don't have anything like this, maybe a socket set that could work, a 1-inch socket set, a socket that would work. So basically this is just to ensure that it uniformly pushes the retaining ring in the jet body. So once that's all the way in, you would put, say it's already in, you would put the jet back in, and you should feel that new posi lock system and obviously thread into place. All right, so that is it. The other tiny little bit that it could be, if it's not the thread, and it's not that it's not threading, it's more so it keeps popping out. It might just be that the posi lock plastic has worn as well. So it doesn't feel like you're popping the jet in when you're putting it in, and there's not enough of a lip here to stop the jet from coming back out afterwards. And that's how you change your retaining ring in your water port. Enjoy.